with your young guys like Jerome, Sage stepping up, and their veterans making big plays. What do you think made the biggest difference for your team to pull this one off?
Well, I think we're having a hard time to contain their pick and roll because they are always involving Junmar, and because some of the players trying to extend their defense on their perimeter. That's why Lastimosa having a good time making some good layup, and I think that's the key for them, But fortunately, our team don't want to lose it, and then may kasama na kaming swerte. Imagine we're leading the first half by 14 or 15 points, and all of a sudden wipe out going to the last few minutes of the fourth quarter. But I told them don't give up, we still have a lot of time, and it happens. And then we forced them to commit a lot of turnover on this stretch, and I think that's the key. And then before the start of the game, in-emphasize ko sa kanila yung turnover points na binibigay namin is something 18, and then second chance point is 16, that's 34. But tonight, we only give up 25, and then no pass break yet, 9 pass break. Kami pa nga may pass break But I think we're still lucky tonight. Hindi ko katitiran po
Thank you, Coach Leo. We now look forward for questions from our friends from the press.
Congratulations. Kung wala kang last game, sa yung recovery mo going to this game, second, or deliver
well, yun nga, sobrang sakit nung good goal, kaya niya nakapag, pero last game, wala, minanage ng PT namin day to day. Medyo nabawasan naman yung pains, kaya nakapag-laro ko.
Yung forward yan mo, masa mo dun sa nangyayari kaya hindi rin.
Nakita ko, open ako so nakita ko, parang wala na rin oras. Kaya meron kumpiyansa lang ba?
That's 4 points, hindi na ako magtataka dahil during practice namin, he keeps on taking the 4-point shot. And even when we're in Adamson, talagang malala yung range niya And then he keeps on practicing that kind of shot And sometimes nagagalit nga ako dahil first pass pa lang titira na. But this time, yung kanyang tira ay talagang necessary yun Kailangan na. Meron siyang sense of urgency. And that's one thing with Don. And then sabi ko nga, we need somebody who could spark from the perimeter. And if you notice guys, ang ganda ng balance scoring namin from bench at saka starter. That's 50 and 45. And usually 50-50 or close talaga yan And then that's what I'm telling to them. Bench is really important in our game.
Coach, dapat ibuwan yung force rate games na lang yung kasama mo na i-overteam yung Magnolia na pangikuman sa mga malakas.
Well, I think na-challenge yung pride ng mga player especially yung last 2 games namin, last 3 games namin dahil actually, since nung first game namin dito with Rain or Shine, alam namin na Rain or Shine is also a contender. After that is Ginebra, and then Converge, and this Magnolia. And then I think yung pride nila na challenge And if we want to get into the next round, I think we have to win at least 3 with this on our last 4 games. But we're lucky, naka-4 kami. And then I think yung sense of urgency nila na andun that is because of the experience we got during the finals or semi-finals because that game is really you don't know who will win but because of that experience hindi sila natatakot andun yung grit nila and then ayaw nilang magpatalo and that's one thing na we have to develop yung winning attitude.
Coach, of course, straight wins against yung mga big opponents. Before
games natin straight.
Yeah, every game, we're trying to emphasize to the team na whoever our opponent is, we have to do what we're doing in practice. And what happened today is talagang parang practice namin Katulad yung kay Don, talagang tumitira sa minsan sa half court pa Ang ganyan And sometimes during out of town game namin, siya nananalo ng half court shot Ganyan Kaya familiar siya doon But against sa Titans, alam natin na yung team na yun they are out there to win games. But we don't know yet what will happen in that game because we have to respect every team in the PBA.
Thank you everyone. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Right.